Hi guys, just a quick one today. So a few weeks back I was riding and then I just saw like liquid all over my tank. Didn't understand where it comes from. Then later when I got to the petrol station I realized it was my brake fluid. So I first thought it was leaking here because there was some liquid here, and then tried to push it in, clean it and stuff, and then last week it happened again. And then when I opened the reservoir I actually found out that it was very loose, like I think it was leaking from there. Now, it was a public holiday, so I couldn't go get a sock, like the reservoir sock. So I came up with a little ingenious idea where I took a normal sock, one of my smaller socks, and then this part, that's where the heel goes. I just cut it there. So the sock would normally be like this. I just cut this part out, leave this, discard it, then use this to make your brake reservoir by just folding it in half. Now if you have folded in half like this, you can then put it over your reservoir, and then voila, you've got your own brake fluid reservoir sock. And then for extra protection, this first layer inside, you can put a rubber band right here, a rubber band over it, and then cover the rubber band with the second layer, and then you'll have a nice, good looking sock over your reservoir. So if for any reason your brake fluid ever leaks, the cap comes loose or something, it will all end up here and not spill all over your bike, ruining your precious paintwork. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.